Hi, this is Areg's Discovery Show. Today we're going to do an experiment about volcanoes. So, you could use some soap or you could just use vinegar and, baking soda things. And then so what we do, if you're using soap, but I forgot to pronounce the name. This is called the rainbow volcano because it has rainbow colors all over it. So let's see, soap first, or else if we put this and then this first, we won't have time for the soap. Soap. And then soap. Now we just need some vinegar.
That's baking soda.
Oh, baking soda. Now our vinegar. And this is carbon dioxide.
Ooh, which is making the volcano.
A very spitty volcano. We can't even see the colors. Oh. Okay.
So what happened?
So this is what happened. So when the carbon dioxide, they make carbon dioxide, but no. So when we put the vinegar and baking soda together, they like mix up and make carbon dioxide, and that carbon dioxide makes air, and that's when all the carbon dioxide comes out of the volcano.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Bye.
Oh, that's all for the Discovery Show too.
Bye.
Bye.